Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or BJJ as it is referred to, is a grappling-based martial art and self-defense system derived from the adaptations of judo techniques. These adaptations enable a smaller, weaker person to defend themselves against a larger, stronger assailant through the proper use of technique and leverage. There are three key objectives for using BJJ as a means of self-defense. The first objective is to take your opponent to the ground. By taking your opponent to the ground, you drastically reduce their ability to generate power and deal damage with strikes. The next objective is to establish a dominant position. Some basic positions in BJJ are guard, side control, top mount, and the back mount. By advancing through the hierarchy of positions, you gain greater control of your opponent and further limit their ability to escape or strike. The final objective is to end the fight with a submission. Common submissions are joint locks and chokeholds, which force your opponent to either give up or suffer injury and loss of consciousness. BJJ has increased in popularity since the original UFC, where it was proven effective against other martial arts styles. To this day, BJJ has remained an invaluable skill set for mixed martial arts fighters. You do not have to be a competitor to experience the benefits of BJJ training. In addition to learning valuable self-defense skills, students relieve stress, build confidence, and increase their fitness level through the mental and physical challenges of training. BJJ is also regarded for its cerebral nature, with live drilling scenarios and sparring considered to be human chess matches. If you'd like to learn more about the gentle art and get started on your free trial, visit us on the web at BroomeCountyMartialArts.com.